Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the offline classes, that is construction, that is first part we have completed with exercise number 12.1, and this part will be continued in the offline class of exercise number 12.2 with the construction, compass and ruler. And in the online class you are going to study, that is a new topic, that is perimeter and area. So next one your topic having as perimeter and area. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn the two concepts of perimeter and area. So perimeter is nothing but, so here I will draw one circle, I will draw one square. Yes, so I will draw one square. Okay, and see here the boundary of a closed figure. The boundary of a closed figure is called as perimeter, and the area, this area, and the area occupied by the closed figure is called as that is area. Okay, so the area, the region occupied by the closed figure is called as area. So first of all, perimeter, what we can give the definition for perimeter, that is the boundary of a closed figure, the boundary of closed figure is called, the boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. And area you can give the definition, that is the region occupied, the region occupied by closed figure, the region occupied by the closed figure is called as area. So note down these two definitions. Perimeter means the boundary of a closed figure is called as perimeter. Area, the region occupied by the closed figure is called area. Okay, so this is about perimeter and area. Okay, in the perimeter and area you are going to learn some of the concepts of square, rectangle, parallelogram. Okay, so you are going to learn, first I will put the column serial number, okay, name of the figure, then shape, perimeter formula, perimeter and area. Okay, so I will make these columns, that is okay, shape, perimeter and area. So I will make this column. So all of you 7th standard students, put this column. It will be very easy to remember the formulas. Okay, so first one we are having this as serial number, that is name of the figure. So first one, name of the figure is square, that is name of the figure is square. Square, that is shape will be in the form of square. Okay, so square, perimeter of square, that is perimeter of square is equals to, you are having the formula, that is 4 into side. Means this is A, sum of 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sum of 4, that is 4A. A plus A is 2A, 2A plus A is 3A, 3A plus A is 4A. Okay, so perimeter of square is 4 into side, and area of square, that is side into side, that is A into A, which is equals to A square. Okay, so A square, so that is side into side. Okay, second one we are having as a rectangle. Second one we are having as a rectangle. So rectangle will be in the form of the shape. Okay, so this will be the rectangle. So I call this as L, B, B. Okay, first we will write the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is perimeter of rectangle. rectangle will be, that is 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B, and area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Third one we are having as triangle. So you already seen about the triangle. The pizza shape is also called as a triangle. Okay, so triangle, this is the symbol of triangle. So sum of three sides is called as triangle. So this I will call A, and this I call A. Okay, so here I will write as perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is equals to sum of three sides, that is A plus A plus A, that is equals to 3A, and area of triangle that will be, that is area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So this will be half. So area of triangle, so picture you are having triangle, so this will be the height h, and this will be base. Okay, so area of triangle is equals to, you are having the formula half into base into height, and perimeter of triangle is equals to sum of three sides, that is A plus A plus A, which is equals to 3A. Next one, fourth one we are having as parallelogram. Fourth one we are having parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram will be in the form of picture like this. So this is the parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram I can write A. Perimeter of parallelogram will be sum of four sides. Perimeter of parallelogram. So this is parallelogram symbol. Which is equals to sum of four sides, A plus A plus A plus A, which is equals to 4A. The sum of four sides is called, that is perimeter of parallelogram. And area of parallelogram is equals to, you are having base into height. So base will be this one. So I will draw this picture. Okay, parallelogram. So this will be the height and this will be the base. Okay, so perimeter of parallelogram is equals to A plus A plus A plus A, which is equals to 4A, and area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So pause the video to note down these formulas. And next one, fifth one we are having as circle. So shape will be circle like this. Okay, perimeter of circle. So perimeter of circle is equals to 2 pi r, where r is the radius, and pi is equals to, we are having, that is value is 22 by 7. So pi is value 22 by 7. Similarly, area of circle is equals to, we are having, that is pi r square. Area of circle is equals to pi r square. Similarly, sixth one, that finally they are having with semicircle. Semicircle means it is a half circle. Okay, semicircle means it is a half circle. So this is D. Okay, and this one semicircle, that is perimeter of semicircle. Is equals to, you are having as perimeter of semicircle is equals to half of, that is pi r. Okay, so just you divide this by 2, the 2 to get cancelled, so this will be pi r. So this will be 2 pi r and this will be pi r. And area of semicircle is equals to half pi r square, half pi r square. Okay, so pi is nothing but it is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, so this is about the formulas, name of the figure, shape. I hope so you may note down these all the formulas of perimeter and area. Note down and send me the definition of perimeter, area, formula, shape on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so please note down this.